Standard 7th Maths. Construction of triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Out of these 6 elements, if we know 3 specific elements, we can construct a triangle. Construction number 1. To construct a triangle given the lengths of its 3 sides. Example, draw triangle XYZ such that length XY 6 cm, length YZ 4 cm, length XZ 5 cm.
Draw a rough figure quickly and show the given information in it as accurately as possible. For example, side XY is longest. So, in the rough figure 2, XY should be the longest side. Accordingly to the rough figure, segment XY of 6 cm is drawn. As length XZ is 5 cm, draw an arc on one side of segment XY with the compass open to 5 cm and with its still point at X. Next with the point at Y and the compass open to 4 cm, draw an arc to cut the first arc at Z. Draw segments XY and YZ. Triangle XYZ is ready.
Number 2. To construct a triangle given 2 sides and the angle included by them. Example, draw triangle PQR such that length PQ 5.5 cm, measure angle P 50 degrees and length PR 5 cm. A rough figure has been drawn showing given information. Angle P is an acute angle and that is shown in the rough figure 2. According to the rough figure, segment PQ forms the base of length 5 cm. Segment PQ of length 5.5 cm is taken as the base. Ray PG is drawn so that angle GPQ is of 50 degrees. Open the compass to 5 cm. Placing the compass point on P, draw an arc. To cut ray PZ at point R. Join points Q and R. Triangle PQR is the required triangle. 3. To construct a triangle given 2 angles and the included side. Example, construct triangle XYZ such that length YX 6 cm, measure angle ZXY 30 degrees, measure angle XYZ 100 degrees. Let's draw a rough figure. Angle XYZ is an obtuse angle that is shown in the figure. Now take YX as the base of 6 cm. Draw ray YR such that measure angle XYR equal to 100 degrees. On the same side of segment YX as point R, Draw ray XD so that measure angle YXD equal to 30 degrees. Name the point of intersection of rays as Z. Triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Number 4. To construct a right angled triangle, given the hypotenuse and one side. In a right angled triangle, side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Example: draw triangle such that LMN angle is of 90 degrees, hypotenuse 5 cm and length MN 3 cm. Let's draw the rough figure using the given information. As angle LMN is of 90 degrees, we draw a right angled triangle approximately and mark the right angle. Mention the lengths in the figure. As shown in the rough figure, draw the base segment MN of length 3 cm. At point M of segment MN, draw ray MT to make an angle of 90 degrees to segment MN. Opening the compass to 5 cm and with the point at N, draw an arc to cut segment MT at L. Triangle LMN is the required triangle.